Aorus M5, a gaming mouse with unique customization options. Title: Aorus M5, a gaming mouse with unique customization options. Introduction: 100 words. Gaming peripherals play a vital role in enhancing the gaming experience, and a mouse is the most crucial of them all. To cater to the demands of avid gamers, Aorus, a leading brand in the gaming industry, has launched the Aorus M5 gaming mouse. This cutting-edge device offers an array of unique customization options, making it a standout choice for professional gamers and enthusiasts alike. Advanced optical sensor for unmatched precision, 250 words. The Aorus M5 boasts an advanced 16,000p optical sensor, offering unrivaled precision and accuracy in every gaming session. This high-performance sensor ensures swift and precise tracking, enabling gamers to experience impeccable responsiveness and enhanced control. Ergonomic design for maximum comfort, 250 words. Comfort is a crucial aspect when it comes to gaming mice, as extended gaming sessions can take a toll on gamers' hands. Recognizing this, Aorus has meticulously crafted the M5 mouse with ergonomics in mind. The M5 features a sleek and curvy design that fits perfectly in the hand, allowing for a comfortable grip that minimizes strain during long gaming marathons. The mouse has textured side grips that ensure a secure hold and prevent slippage, even during intense gaming moments. Such attention to detail highlights Aorus' commitment to providing gamers with a seamless and comfortable experience. Customizable Rgb Lighting, 250 words. The Aorus M5 takes personalization to the next level with its fully customizable RGB lighting system. With 16.7 million color options available, gamers can create personalized lighting profiles that match their gaming setup or match their favorite game's aesthetics. The Aorus RGB Fusion software lets users seamlessly choose from a myriad of colors and lighting effects, including static, breathe-in, and flashing modes. This level of customization allows gamers to immerse themselves fully in the gaming atmosphere and elevate their gaming experience to a new level. Intuitive and feature-rich software, 300 words. To unlock the full potential of the Aorus M5, Aorus provides users with intuitive and feature-rich software. The Aorus Engine software allows gamers to customize and fine-tune their mouse settings to suit their individual preferences. Users can adjust speed levels, tweak tracking speed, assign macros, and program buttons, all with an easy-to-navigate interface. The software also provides users with a comprehensive performance analysis feature, enabling gamers to gain insights into their gaming habits and improve their skills. In addition to its customization options, the Aorus Engine software ensures seamless firmware updates to keep the mouse up to date with the latest improvements and optimizations. This dedication to providing ongoing support and development demonstrates Aorus' commitment to delivering an exceptional user experience. Durability and build quality, 250 words. Durability is a crucial factor when investing in a gaming mouse, and the Aorus M5 excels in this regard. The mouse is built to withstand the intense demands of competitive gaming, featuring durable Omron switches, which boast a lifespan of up to 50 million clicks. The M5's solid build quality ensures reliability, allowing gamers to focus on their gameplay without worrying about mouse performance. Gaming enthusiasts around the world have found the perfect companion in the Aorus M5 gaming mouse. This exceptional device offers a range of unique customization options that set it apart from its competitors. The Aorus M5's advanced 16,000p optical sensor ensures that every movement is translated with utmost precision and accuracy. No matter the game genre, this high-performance sensor delivers unparalleled responsiveness and control, giving gamers a decisive edge in competitive gaming scenarios. From highly precise aiming in first-person shooters to executing intricate strategies in real-time strategy games, the Aorus M5's optical sensor elevates the gaming experience to new heights. Recognizing the importance of comfort during long gaming sessions, Aorus has designed the M5 with ergonomics in mind. The sleek and curvy design allows for a perfect fit in the hand, minimizing strain and discomfort. The textured side grips provide a secure hold, even during intense gaming moments. Aorus' attention to detail in crafting a comfortable gaming mouse ensures that gamers can focus on their gameplay without any distractions. Personalization is taken to another level with the Aorus M5's customizable RGB lighting. With 16.7 million color options available, users can create lighting profiles that match their gaming setup or favorite games aesthetics. The Aorus RGB Fusion software allows for seamless customization, offering static, breathing, and flashing lighting modes, among others. This level of personalization immerses gamers fully in the gaming atmosphere, enhancing the overall experience. Unlocking the full potential of the Aorus M5 is made possible with the intuitive and feature-rich Aorus Engine software. Users can customize mouse settings according to their preferences, adjust P levels, tweak tracking speed, assign macros, and program buttons effortlessly. The software also provides a comprehensive performance analysis feature, enabling gamers to analyze their gaming habits and improve their skills. Firmware updates are seamlessly delivered, ensuring that the mouse remains up to date with the latest improvements. Durability and build quality are essential considerations when investing in a gaming mouse, and the Aorus M5 delivers in this aspect. With durable Omron switches boasting a lifespan of up to 50 milli. On clicks, gamers can rely on the M5 for countless hours of gaming. The mouse's solid build quality ensures consistent performance, allowing gamers to focus on their gameplay without any worries. The Aorus M5 gaming mouse is truly a standout choice for avid gamers, offering unique customization options that guarantee an exceptional gaming experience.